Hello friends, welcome to InfyGyan. In this video, we have another very interesting and challenging rational equations which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0, so our solutions cannot be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now we will use substitution. Let us say x minus 7 suppose equal to t. So from this equation I can write x will be equal to t plus 7. Now we have to write our equation in variable t. So 1 over x will be 1 over t plus 7 plus 1 over x minus 2, 1 over t plus 5 minus 1 over x minus 4 minus 1 over t plus 3 minus 1 over t plus 1 minus 1 over t minus 1 minus 1 over t minus 3 plus 1 over t minus 5 plus 1 over t minus 7 and RHS is 0. Now we'll rewrite our equation 1 over t plus 1 we'll write along with 1 over t minus 1 last term. Similarly we will write 1 over t plus 5 and then we'll write plus 1 over t minus 5. Then we'll take minus common and we'll put 1 over t plus 3 plus 1 over t minus 3 in one bracket. And then we'll write minus of 1 over t plus 1 plus 1 over t minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So we will write common denominator will be t square minus 49 using difference of two squares formula. A plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So I will write t square minus 49 once we will multiply both the denominators. In numerator t minus 7 plus t plus 7 which will give us 2t. Similarly here we will write our denominator using difference of two squares formula t square minus 25 and in numerator we have to write 2t once again. Then we'll write minus of 2t over t square minus 9. Then we'll write minus of 2t over t square minus 1 equal to 0. Now 2t is common from the numerator. We'll take common out. So we can write 2t common out. In bracket we'll write 1 over t square minus 49. Then we'll write minus of 1 over t square minus 1. Then we'll write plus 1 over t square minus 25. Then we'll write minus 1 over t square minus 9 equal to 0. Now we'll be using product 0 rule. So either t equal to 0 or 1 over t square minus 49 minus 1 over t square minus 1 plus 1 over t square minus 25 minus 1 over t square minus 9 equal to 0. So from t equal to 0, t is our substitution x minus 7. We will write x minus 7 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 7. So I will write here x1 because this is our first real solution. Now we have to solve second equation. So better is to consider t square equal to u, suppose. So we can write our equation in variable u now. So I will write 1 over u minus 49 minus 1 over u minus 1 plus 1 over u minus 25 minus 1 over u minus 9 equal to 0. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So we will write here u minus 1 times u minus 49 in the denominator, and in numerator we will write u minus 1 minus u plus 49, which will give us 48. Here we will write product in the denominator, u minus 9 times u minus 25, and in numerator we will write u minus 9 minus u plus 25, which will be equal to 16. Plus and minus u will get over equal to 0. Now we have 16 common over here. So we will take 16 common. So we can write here 16 times in the bracket 3 over u minus 1 times u minus 49 plus 1 over u minus 25 times u minus 9. This will be equal to 0. So our bracket should be equal to 0. So we'll write here this must be equal to 0. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So I will write here 3 times u minus 9 times u minus 25 plus u minus 1 times u minus 49. This should be equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. Denominator cannot be 0. Now we will write 3 times u times u is u square. Then we can write minus 34u plus 225 plus u square minus 50u plus 49 equal to 0. Now we will expand here and we can write 3u square minus 34 times 3 is 102. We will write 102u plus 225 times 3 675 plus u square minus 50u plus 49 equal to 0. So we can write equation 3u square plus u square 4u square minus 102u minus 50u, will write minus 152u. 675 plus 49 is 724. Now we'll take 4 common out here. So in the bracket we will write u square minus 38u plus 181 equal to 0. Or we'll write one quadratic equation in u square minus 38u plus 181 equal to 0. We'll solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. So I need to take 181 to the RHS. We will write equation u square minus 38u in LHS and we'll write minus 181 in the RHS. Now we have coefficient of u minus 38. Half of minus 38 is minus 19. Square of minus 19 is 361. We will add 361 in LHS. So we have to add 361 in RHS so that LHS will give us one perfect square of u minus 19. Now RHS will be equal to 180, which we can factor 9 times 20. So I will write u minus 19 whole square. This will be equal to 3 square, this is 9, times 20. Now we'll take square root both sides. And we can write u minus 19 will be equal to plus minus 3 times square root of 20. We'll be adding 19 to both sides. We'll write here plus 19. Plus and minus 19 will be over. We will get u value 19 plus minus 3 times square root 20. Here we have value of u. And u is our substitution t square. So I can write here t square will be equal to 19 plus minus 3 square root 20. If I will take square root both sides, I will be getting t value, which will be equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 square root 20. This is t and t is x minus 7. So I can write x minus 7 equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 times square root of 20. Now we have to add 7 to both sides. So we will add 7 to RHS also. We will cancel plus and minus 7. We are going to write x value plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 square root 20 plus 7, or we can write x will be equal to 7 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 times square root 20. So here we have 4 real solutions. 4 real solutions. And the first real solution was x equal to 7. So I will write x1 to x5. So x1 will be equal to 7, and then I can write x2, 3, 4, 5 will be equal to 7 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 3 times square root of 20. So we have 5 real solutions for our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.